Welcome to MRiK. So we got this beautiful S5, that's 2018, 3-liter, and this is not the supercharged. This is a turbocharged with a big turbo on top and one of the powerful car in 3-liter V6. So this came in for a very common problem. Customer, they did the oil change from some other place and they noticed everything is drained out from the bottom. So right now, the bottom looks all flooded up with the oil. The common reason with a 3-liter TFSIs after 2016 is the oil filter housing and the oil cooler. So on this one, when we see properly, it seems like from the bottom, the main seal is leaking, but actually it's not like that. The reason behind this common 3-liter V6 leak is the front filter housing and the pockets are completely full with the engine oil right now. If you see from here with the torch, you'll see all the middle pockets of this V6 engine is filled up with the fresh oil because the customer just got the oil change. So we are going to give a diagnostic report as they request first the report and then they're going to go with the prices, how much it's going to be. So this kind of job is roughly a couple of grand to fix it, and it's easy fixable. But if you keep on ignoring those things, it's going to let your engine damage, engine seize. If it runs on a low oil, your piston going to be weighed out. In that case, it's a bit expensive. It's going to be more than 10 grand to rebuild, as we put the rebuild last month on one of the 2012 same engine with a supercharge. So in order to fix it, keep your car clean. If you especially have a clean coupe S5 like this, that's a really beast car from Audi. So if you guys do want any of the oil fix on 3-liter, 4.2-liter V8, feel free to give us a call, book your appointment. MRiK will help you. On to the next car. So this 2014 228 with N20, it's ready. Everything wrapped up back to normal. Takes us almost 6 days to complete it, just because the machine shops, they got a little delay in the resurfacing the things and a couple more cleaning on the parts, which are damages with a oil kind of grease thing. So it's back to normal, wrapped up, and we're going to do the next thing on this car is the brakes. And also the customer have a problem with a ground issue on this car. While they're driving, it keeps shut down while on drive. So we're going to resolve that issue too. And also they request us to do the X-Drive service at area fluid change on this car. It's mandatory for any of the BMW, Mercedes. You have to do your all fluid change from 80 to 100K. When it hits that kilometers, you need the change. So we're going to do that service too. And we'll make sure this customers have a smile on the face when they're going to pick it up, because they're never able to drive it more than 500 kilometers when they bought it. And they spent almost 20 plus grand on this car and parked to another mechanic shop from last 4 months. So MRiK, they fix it in the time they give to the customer. Even before than that, I take like 3 weeks, but this is done probably in a week and a half. So everything is done. It's just going to need a brake and a couple of fluid more to roll it out. Just stay connected and we'll pull the shot outside how it looks while we're going to drive. Move to the next car. All right, guys, so we got this beautiful E46, that's mine. And we got another E36, that's our regular client's car. They are with us from last 5 years. And look at the condition of both of the E46 and E36 right here. This car came in almost from hour away from London. They came from Tilsonburg. So it come up for a regular maintenance on the car, as we do every single year. And I will show you how good and big car love enthusiast customers I have. Come. So this car is here just to install these two rubbers. If you ever wonder why, like where this part belongs to, let me show you. So it is white. It's right here. You see the cracks in this rubber. So the customer, they want to take this handle off and install the brand new ones from BMW. So that's how they care for the cars. So if you guys do have any of the MPACs, MPOWER, M3, M4, M5, whatever, you name it, we'll install the every body parts too. We don't paint, but we can install any of the parts on the car. All right, so the second problem on this car is the wiper. So the left side, the wiper arm, the gear is a little bit down. So we need to readjust this side, because when they turn on the wipers, they keep on hitting each other right from here. So this arm need to be right up here So probably 3 more gears up to set it up next to the factory settings. So that's what we're gonna do on this car, and hopefully we'll do the interior cleaning too on this car, and we'll post that video onto the next car.
Only thing that's on my mind is who's gonna run this town tonight.
Yeah, I said that we are. This is our nation. Pledge your allegiance.
So we got one of our valuable client. It's from almost 4 years. We have 3 questions. The first one, where you came from?
I'm by Tilsonburg, Stratfordville area,
How far it is from London?
about an hour away.
Perfect. And the second question, how many cars we did on your family and from how long?
Oh, I think we've been 3 or 4 years now. We've done it, and I've brought well, 3 or 4 vehicles here. Now my son's got his vehicle here, and we're going to bring our truck here too. Manjot and Ramjot here. They've always done a great job for me. They're honest. They stand behind what they do, and they're good guys, man. You want your car fixed right, bring it here.
Thank you so much. So today we got this beautiful, that's a old BMW E36. As you guys know, I have an E46 here. So both are the same color cars. And this is something you're gonna never see in London. This is probably one in a whole area between Tilsonburg and London, because this is a bone stock car. Absolutely no aftermarket things in or out. Just the wheels are fancy. But if you talk about the car, any of the powertrain, drivetrain, everything is factory. Same like mine. So you're gonna find a rare people who are true car enthusiasts, and they keep things perfectly OEM stock. So if you guys do want any of the services, Satisfy Services, give us a call at 647-708-1300, or you can just come to our shop at 241 Horton Street. We locate in right downtown, 241 Horton Street. Yeah. All right, guys, so we got another stock in for Likamali. So it's not about those drums we put it in the last video. They are only 5 different types, but the oil itself, it's like more than 60 different types of oil. So this time we got this shipping. They don't have it in the drums, so we have to still stick with a lot of plastic bottles. So we are going to restock our inventory. So we like to keep it everything stock. We don't like to go out of the stock. So that's where it goes. So most of the Mercedes take this oil. A lot of the VWs, it's yeah, for the BMW long life. So that's what we're gonna do. And there's another shipping coming tomorrow. We'll post it in the next video. I think it's a same of those cases. One is this one. So probably tomorrow is gonna be the next video about the stock. So that's how it goes. So the rest this goes in the back warehouse thing. Yeah, we have a store in the back. So we're gonna put most of the cases in the back, because you see everything gets full. So yeah, if you guys do want any of the services with the Likamali, give us a call, book your appointment. Move to the next. All right, so the final, that's 3 Series, that's 320. It's from 2013. It came up for a weird reason. A lot of the BMW owners, just a heads up. So if you guys have any problem with your audio system, like this car came in, absolutely nothing works, no speakers, no stereo works. So when we deep dig down, the rear of this car got involved in a collision, and one of the light sealing was leak. So what happened exactly is the water keep on going on back in the winter time, snow time, or rainy season. And the amplifier on this car, it comes with a Harman Kardon, and the amplifier is right on the left side rear. So the water was keep on dripping from the loose sealing portion of the backlight, and it's water damage. We dig it apart, we tried to fix it, didn't work. And the worst part is it's back ordered with the BMW. We try to resource it with A lot of records, it doesn't go through yet. Comes with a two split, one of the primary amplifier, other one is the secondary. The secondary is good and safe. We tested with another BMW, as we have one of the 2014 over there. We test the secondary, which is common in both, but that other two series, that one is not with a Harman Kardon. So the primary one doesn't work. It's not equipped with that, so we can't replace or check with that. So this one, it's still pending. We tell the customer either they have to wait or they can just go on eBay if they got find the same similar part number, which I don't think so, because we keep on checking it from almost a week now. To fix on this one, we need to find same year car with a Harman Kardon amplifier in, comes in a X3, 3 series, 4 series, and 5 series. But it all depends. We need exact same year from 2014 to 2018. It's the same module. So that is something weird jobs. We got stuck sometime, and we exactly knows what to do, because this came from other shops and they can't even figure out what's happening with it, because totally of this car system is a canvas base, and it's hard to benchmark most of the modules. That's what we specialize for. So benching on your any of ECM DMEs or any of radar modules on your car, we do it here. Feel free to book your appointment at our shop. And thank you. Subscribe and press the bell icon for more exciting updates. Thank you so much.